Speaking about opportunities. Okay. Speaking about opportunities, with the recent Trinidad camp, a player like Kaheim Dixon, how much pressure do you think he's under now to perform at such a young age in a match like this?
Yeah, it's a really good question. It's really important both for the supporters and him to understand that this is a chance he will get now, and we are not asking him to deliver the same as others. This is a test for him, a chance for him to grow as a player and a person. We think he has a bright future. You know, he's only 19, and has not played a lot of let's say grown-up football. So it's mostly schoolboy football. It's a similar situation like with Whisper when we took him to the Gold Cup. He grabbed his opportunity, did well for us. So it's just a chance. He knows, like everybody else, he will have more chances in the future if he plays his card correctly. But this is not do or die for him. This is an opportunity, and I hope he understands it. There's no pressure on that kid. And it's also just to see how he interacts, like Meron said, how he interacts with these players, different kind of players, and normally good players will step up and play better with better players around them. So I hope that will happen for Kaheim, but the future is his, and for sure, whether he plays or whether he plays good or bad, there will be more opportunities in the future for him. You want to add something for that?
Just to add to what Coach is saying, taking Kaheim into an environment like this is not to pressure him as a footballer, but to build his character, build his professionalism, you know, because his next life or his next level will be that. So it's not to bring him here to help us to get results, you know, but trust me, if you give him a chance, he will definitely deliver. But that's not what we are thinking of. Just as what Coach said we did for Whisper, you know, bring him in the environment, bring him around professionals, you know, let him see the next level of football is what is most important for us.